So for the ventilation, as you can see, they do have air conditioner. Guys, so we're now gonna do our breakfast. Hindi na magagawa kadami yung selection. That was a nice breakfast, guys. So let's do this. You can even have for yourself. Hey guys, this is Jay once again. Welcome back to Vlogcetera. And for this video, of course, hindi mawawala ang room tour of where we stayed here in Oita. This hotel is called Greenridge Hotel, and if you're excited to know more about this, stay tuned because that is coming right up. So guys, this is literal na quick room tour lang kasi if you can see, this is the main door and then pag ikot natin, kita mo na agad yung kabuuan ng room. But just so para mas makita nyo no, yung kung ano talaga yung itsura ng buong room. And by the way, this is a room na good for two. So as you enter, this is the main door. Pagpasok mo, there's this small space here for your clothes. Hindi siya actually cabinet pero you could have some of your clothes hanged. May provided silang around mga 5 hangers. Tapos dito sa ilalim, may hamper. Yeah. And then, this is a hallway. Yung sa space na to. So, as you can see, dyan nakalagay yung mga maleta. Yan. Kasi wala nang ibang space, no? Maybe pwede sa under the bed. Pero, utilize this space here to put yung mga luggages. And then, right after, eto na yung toilet and bath, but mamaya natin yan titignan. So, as you continue to walk, yan, andito na yung bed area. Yan. This is actually a queen-size bed, kaya siya room na good for two. Opposite nung bed, here, yan, yung vanity area or desk, no, na meron ding maliit na TV, and then they also have this mini refrigerator over here. And that is it. Meron din silang pinaprovide na water heater, and then hair blower, and yung mga mugs na pwede mong gamitin. By the way, yung other provided nilang mga coffee, tea, you could just actually get it downstairs dun sa lobby. So kapag pasok, pwede kayong mag-pick up dun ng some coffee or tea or whatever you like, and then you can bring it to your room. And inside the room, of course, meron din ditong telephone, para at least if you would like to contact reception and others, diba? You have the phone system. And what's nice here, meron din ditong centralized na control area. So lahat ng lights here, yan. nandito lahat ng control. Pati yung aircon, nandito din. And you could also use this alarm clock and radio system. So parang katabi lahat ng kama. So for the ventilation, as you can see, they do have yung air conditioner dito sa loob ng room, but I think there's this also the centralized air conditioning. Uso yun dito sa Japan, yung controlled by the hotel, yung temperature. And aside from that, they also have this, I think this is an air purifier. Yan, you could actually turn it on. Sasaksak mo lang siya doon. And yeah, that is it. So now, puntahan naman natin kung ano itsura ng kanilang toilet and bathroom. Na of course, as you could expect already, maliit din siya kasi yung room, di ba? This is the bed area, tapos ito na yung toilet. So, pasukin natin. So, kahawig siya ng mga toilet and bath ng APA Hotel. As in, ganun na ganun yung size. Ikot tayo. Yan o. Ganun na ganun yung size niya at ganun na ganun din yung pagkaka-layout. Even yung mga ginamit na mga materials, I think, very similar. So as you can see here, andito na yung toilet with bidet, of course. This is Japan, no? So merong bidet system. And katabi, right after is yung mini sink. And then here, bathtub or yung shower area. Ayun yung shower. No? And then, of course, they have here the shower curtain. At provided na din yung mga towels for the guests. And because they are a green-rich hotel, they are maintaining yung pagiging green. So they are providing this, yung mga body soap, shampoo, conditioner in pump bottles. No? Para, may nakalagay kasi dito. Yan, nakalagay to avoid waste and trash. Kaya ganito yung binibigay nila. And by the way, aside from yung usual na shampoo, conditioner, and body soap, they also have this face wash foam, which is good. So parang lahat ng kailangan mo actually nandito na. And not to mention, of course, they are always keeping you safe. Meron din dito sa loob. Kahit na napakaliit ng toilet and bath, meron dito telephone system for your safety as well. So that is it. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, mabilis lang yung room tour natin, pero hinihingal pa ako. But ganun lang siya kaliit. Again, ikutin natin. Ito yung ano, no, yung toilet and bath. So sara natin siya. Sa likod, this is the main door. So pag ikot natin, ito na yung vanity area, yung desk na may TV, and then this is your bed area already. So I'm not sure, pero ang view ng room na to is actually the street. Ayan, medyo kita. Pero siguro kukunan ko na lang ng other shot tomorrow morning kapag mas maliwanag. Pero yung katapat na katapat namin ng room na to, ayan, it's actually a church, no, which is good. That's it. Siguro kuha din tayo ng shots, ilang shots outside the room, papunta siguro sa breakfast tomorrow para makita nyo din yung facilities at saka yung itsura ng hallway ng hotel na to. And of course, this room, yung rate niya, which I would provide here, no, yung mga information, that comes with a free buffet breakfast for 2. And in fairness, madaming selections ng food nila here. Unlike yung other APA hotel na napuntahan namin dati. So isang bagay pala, no, they are not providing here yung bottled water. So walang bottled water inside the room. Pero they have yung water heater na pinakita ko kanina, and makikita niyo dun sa CR that the water are actually potable. So pwede niyo siyang inumin. Kaya lang, of course, yung sa ating mga hindi sanay na umiinom ng galing sa gripo, medyo hindi natin siya ginagawa. So we actually bought our own water from the convenience store. By the way guys, share tips lang. So, most of the Japan hotels, kahit yung mga maliliit na hotels lang, they are usually providing yung mga ganito for the nightwear. So, kung gusto niyo makatipid ng mga iuuwing labahin, utilize yung mga ganito nila. This one's actually parang robe siya, pero they are also providing yung ganito. Kaya lang kasi parang hirap niya itali. So parang hindi mo siya magagamit like as in naka-secure. So I'm using this white one instead. Pero parang okay na din siyang pantulog kasi masarap sa pakiramdam, malambot yung tela. But if you really would like to make use yung talagang sinasabi nilang pangtulog, ito yun. Pero ganito din yung itsura niya. Iba lang yung cloth. Yan. So at least, di ba, kung ilang gabi kayo matutulog dito, ilang damit din yung matitipid niyo. Good morning guys, we are gonna get down. Breakfast lang tayo. Then yung breakfast nila is similar or same floor nung lobby nila, which is the second floor. Yeah, so that way yung lobby nila, tapos dito naman yung way going to their restaurant. Actually, kahapon nakapag-breakfast na kami and they have many selections. So check natin ngayon kung ano yung food nila. Hey guys, so we are now gonna eat our breakfast. Tignan niyo kung gaano kadami yung selections nila. Yan, and slightly different from what they had yesterday. Yung pareho lang yung chicken na fritters at saka tong sausages. And of course, yung mga side dishes. Pero they have new vegetable set. Tsaka tong fritter. Wala yan kahapon. So let's go, let's eat. That was a nice breakfast, guys. And what's good is you can even have for yourself a takeout iced coffee o kaya yung hot coffee. Let's go. By the way, yung buffet breakfast na yun, guys, is included in the room rate. Yung room rate, na-flash ko na siguro kanina. Pero that's around less than 3,000. Parang 2,888.